hosting or going to a Halloween party tonight, don't forget the treat.
Yeah, and don't be all ghoulish and forget about serving up some Boo-tackular bites.
Here to help is the Bride of Frankenstein, Courtney Hill. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Thanks for having me.
Of course, you look great. This
Thank
set
you.
design is impeccable.
Oh,
so
thank you.
Tell us how we can be the hostess with the mostest or the best party goer,
Yes.
whatever our plans are.
Well, I've got some good ideas for you guys here.
Okay.
So for kind of a dinner type thing, we have pizza skulls. And I just got this mold, very easy to find online.
Yeah.
I made some pizza dough, so just spush that out.
Okay.
And we're gonna put pepperonis and mozzarella cheese in there.
Okay. Ooh, am I smushing enough?
Yeah, I'd say just go ahead and stick it on in there.
Okay, this one's for you, Tony, clearly. With all the pepperonis.
And try to, you just like put it on there
Oh,
and
okay.
then wrap it up if you can.
Ooh.
I mean, super easy.
Yeah, that
And then
is
you
super
just
easy.
stick it, you literally just stick it in the mold, bake it, and they come out so cute.
That
like
is
this.
so
cute.
cool.
Yeah, yeah.
And then you serve it with a little sauce.
Right.
So it's kind
Ooh.
of bloody, I guess.
Easy peasy. Okay, so what do we have on my side?
On your side, we have caramel apples, salted caramel apples.
Okay.
So what I did is I took a stick of butter, of salted butter, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and a cup of brown sugar. You just melt that together. Add a little salt, a little more salt if you want to.
Okay.
And you just pour it on your apples.
Oh, that's it.
Do it,
try that.
Tony.
Easy
That
And
looks
over
peasy.
here we have my stuffed mushrooms, which is in my book, but I made them spooky by making them into zombies.
Ooh.
So you just take the little stem out,
Yeah.
and you use a straw,
Okay.
and you poke the eyes.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
Isn't that so cute?
That is
And
spooky.
A little nose and a little mouth.
Oh my gosh, you
Oh,
do the
yeah.
most creative
And then you got
things.
the brain on the top. Isn't that
Oh, wow.
cute? There's
Is that cauliflower?
It is cream cheese,
Oh, okay.
mozzarella cheese, and breadcrumbs.
Oh, okay.
No
So
vegetables
delicious.
needed.
No,
no.
vegetables. Not for
No.
Halloween.
Yes.
No.
Okay, what about the
No.
sweets? Because I'm a sweets girl.
Yes, these are my pumpkin whoopie pies, and they are a hit everywhere I
Yes.
go. They
Okay,
have
well, we
cream
have
cheese
to-
filling in the middle, cream cheese frosting in the middle, and they are delish.
Yeah. We gotta try this.
This is delish.
And I also have my blood punch, which is just a bunch of different.
Ooh, blood bunch. Get us some of that, Tony.
Already poured. There you go.
oh my gosh. Well, I'm showing
Raspberry
up.
sherbet on the top there with
I'm
little.
showing off the skulls. Look at those. Those are so cool.
Oh
So
my
you have
gosh.
like a full-on dinner here.
Yeah.
We do. So are you making all of this tonight?
No.
Wow, these are so good.
Yeah, aren't they delicious?
Wow.
I usually make these little beef pies, but this is fun too. So
Ooh, this is good.
isn't that good?
This is delicious.
Okay, we're gonna pack this all up, and Tony and I are gonna take this.
our home- yes.
So we look like we have it all together.
Yes.
Yes.
I love it.
Absolutely. Okay, so we didn't get to. Is that everything?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's everything, yeah.
We have the mushrooms. We have the candied apples. We have the whoopie pies, the pizza, and the drink.
Yes, and if you put raspberry sherbet in there, it kind of looks like brains, and then you pour the
Ooh.
lemon lime soda on the top, and it gets all foamy.
And if you're Micah, you
Ooh.
put
It's
some
good.
vodka in it,
Oh
right?
yeah, oh totally.
Yeah. Yes. Courtney,
Courtney,
thank you so much
thank
for
you.
being
Thanks
here.
for having me. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Yes, everyone, for more on Courtney and her cookbook, Homemade, visit her website, cookhomemade.net. Her blog is on there with all the recipes.